Morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Time. How are you?
I'm good. I'm tired.
As always.
Yeah.
Do you see the birds?
Oh,
They're moving now.
they're going to.
Africa.
Do you think they go to Köping only, or
I'm guessing Africa.
you think Africa?
Yeah.
I think they go to.
To Köping?
No, I think they go to Hustler, the elite project.
Ah,
They want to see. They want to see some carbon stuff.
who wouldn't?
So we're gonna try to do a vlog today, Kalle.
Oh, excellent.
I didn't bring anything. I
been a
just
while.
brought my phone,
Yeah.
and
That's good enough.
I think
Right.
so. Let's see how it works, and we're gonna try to do a vlog and try to do some catch up on where we are today, and why why the car is not complete yet.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So let's hook
Let's
up
pack this up
and go.
get rolling.
All right.
What's up?
What's up?
We're here. We made it.
Where are we?
We are at Esab in Laxå, Sweden. They're celebrating 80 years today
Of this factory.
of this factory. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Esab manufactures welding machines and supplies for welders and
Yeah.
welding companies. Yeah,
And they have supplied us with this awesome machine called Rebel.
yeah, it's been a game changer
Yeah.
for sure. And all
Are we back to that word
Yeah,
again? Are
we
we
are.
back to that
We
word?
are.
Damn it. I thought we were, passing that word.
no, and not only the welding machine, but also the mask with the ventilation
With the
systems.
fresh air.
Oh, yeah.
And there's also the super nice plasma cutter that we actually
Not to forget.
never thought we needed it until we had it.
Yeah, it's one of those things.
Yeah.
When you have it, then you can't stop. You can't stop
Exactly.
using.
So we're here. So the car is on display. Unfortunately, the idea was that we would do a burnout with the car today.
But we can't.
Why not?
The gearbox is not really cooperating right now, so it's
We still have the problem with the Drasha, but I think we'll make a summary when we go.
back to the shop.
Or maybe later today,
Yeah.
we make a summary on what the issues we have.
Yeah, and how we're gonna solve them.
Yeah. So and let's try to do some vlogging today.
Yeah, and also we're gonna have a competition for the people attending here today, because this event is open for the public.
Yep.
It's the first time they're actually opening up the factory
For the public.
So it's kind of a big thing. So we're gonna have a competition.
And the landshövding is coming.
Oh yeah,
What
it's almost the king.
Oh, is it?
It's
It's
the
like
king of Närke.
Yeah.
This community.
It's a word I will not take in my mouth right now, but it's
Municipality.
whatever. Like guys, what we mean. We're Swedish. We're not.
We're a bit different.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a competition. The people are gonna be able to guess how much this one weighs and how much this one weighs, and whoever is closest is gonna win awesome prizes
Yeah.
supplied by Esab.
And should we do?
So if you have any guesses,
Do it. Post it in the comments,
exactly.
and then we would choose a random comment and
That one is a winner, and you'll get
something.
something in the mail.
Yeah, we don't know yet what you will get, but you will get something.
Yeah, it's super planned.
Yeah, exactly. This is planned to the
That's detail.
last detail. Yeah. We're not sure yet, but yeah. So we have a front rim. So you can guess on the back rim. This one is 18-inch and 13-inch wide. Guess the weight of this in kilos, and then Kalle will make a.
And if you're from the UK, you can guess it in stones.
No,
And we're gonna calculate it through Google.
No, if we will calculate it, it's not gonna be kilos.
Okay, kilos.
Yeah, metric system.
For the win.
Stones. I don't know. Yeah, it's literally like one stone is something.
I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Some part of the UK use stones, right? Do all of the UK use stones? I have no idea.
Me neither.
I see it on TV.
Okay, guess on the weight of this one, and we will try to do a vlog on the factory as well.
Yeah, and now we're gonna, once they open the gates, we're gonna try to talk to some people and have a good time.
Yeah, happy ending. No,
ending.
happy time. Fuck. Okay, cheers.
Bye.
Kalle, what are we doing?
I don't know. Is this really a good idea? I'm not sure.
Yes, train.
Do you trust that guy?
Yes, I trust him.
Do you trust this guy?
No, the first time I see him.
That's good.
These wires are safe.
Yeah, you can go the end of that.
Oh. How high is this? Oh, nice. Kalle, are you still comfortable?
I'm still comfortable. Are you?
Ah, heights is not my thing. I tell you that now. Okay, is this not up yet? Oh.
Can you point the camera upwards?
Oh.
There we go.
Oh.
And down.
Okay, this is comfortable. Okay.
Okay, cool.
So this will be like, we need to talk about the day, but okay, so this is kind of high up right now.
But here you can see the Esab plant.
Yeah, Esab factory. Without the drone. Kalle.
Yeah. It's go time.
It's go time. Go time or go time?
It's going home time.
Going home time. How was the day? Like, it's me, the cameraman today, so you're gonna be in the
I'm
spotlight.
gonna say that it's been a really good day. How about you?
Yeah, it's been super day.
Yeah,
I
I'm
think...
happy. I'm satisfied.
Me too.
Hashtag.
Hashtag. No, I'm happy too. I think that, you know, compared to Elmia, we like the crowd was smaller here.
Yeah.
But the hit rate of the crowd to the car was way bigger.
Yeah, and what did it say? Like 1,100 people?
1150.
Yeah, and they were estimating like 300, so
Exactly. So it was like
way beyond
three
what
times
they
more
thought.
or four
Yeah.
times more. So, but it was good because we had most of the people actually stop by, just not, you know, not just walking by. They actually
No, I would
stopped
say
and asked.
like the majority of people in this area had questions and
Yeah.
they wanted to know more.
Exactly.
So that's amazing.
Yeah.
Game
So,
changer.
but the car, what do we have to say about the car right now? Because I think many people are wondering why we are not on the tracks.
We have had some issues related to gearbox, I would say,
Yeah.
and drive shaft.
Yeah, so the main drive shaft, the input to the gearbox, that's like an adapter there, which actually broke,
Yeah.
caused vibrations, and broke the lid of the clutch housing, which is also housing the bearings for the flywheel.
Exactly.
That was complex, but
Yeah.
yeah. So that actually broke. We have a new lid, but we need to rethink how that adapter is going to look like.
And also a new flywheel.
Flywheel, maybe we can use the flywheel.
Oh, you think?
Yeah, but we need to check. We need to get bearings, new bearings for it, install it in the lid, and see if it's straight.
Yeah.
If it's not straight, then we need a new one.
Okay. Yeah.
So, but other than that, I think that we need to fix the drive shaft,
Yeah.
because we had also issues with these, like the rear stubs, the center bolts, and those were misaligned.
We have misaligned, yeah.
Yeah.
From the pins.
Yeah, the steering pin. So we couldn't actually install 5 pins, only 3.
Yeah.
So that is fixed. Unfortunately, the thread on those is too tight.
Yeah.
So we had to grind some of the nuts.
Grinding the nuts.
Grinding the nuts.
We made, what is it, 3 dyno attempts.
Yeah, 3 dyno attempts.
First one, we failed to get the car connected to the dyno.
Yeah.
Because the dyno wasn't really compliant with the center bolts.
We did 2 dyno attempts.
Is it only 2?
Yeah,
it's
because
two.
the second one we managed,
Yeah.
but then at 3000 RPM the drive shaft started
Yeah,
vibrating.
That's correct.
So, and then we had massive issues. So we actually had to back off that. So now we will do the third one, and hopefully that's going to be successful. But
Yeah, third session.
the car, we don't have any issues with oil temp, water temp.
No, everything's fine.
The only thing we have issues with is one of the banks of the engine is going leaner
Yeah,
than
it's
the
a
other.
bit leaner. So
But-
maybe it's the injectors a bit clogged.
Yeah,
I mean, the engine is a few years
yeah,
old
it's
now,
been
so-
sitting for 3 years. So I think we
It's not
need,
impossible.
yeah, we need to service the injectors, and then I think we need to also
Change the spark plugs.
change the spark plugs.
Yeah.
So
those are old.
Yeah, those are old. We have new ones, so we'll do that. Other than that, we have the rear window there needs to be done. That's just left. But yeah, overall, we are kind of good to test, to do a technical shakedown.
Yeah, brakes are fine. Gearbox is, when it was in the car, we were able to shift gears.
Yeah.
So it's fine. Steering is fine.
Yeah. We need to do something later on because we have the height here might need to be adjusted, but we're gonna do that this winter because we want to have a little bit tighter gap here. Kind of looks silly right now, so I think. But well, we have a plan about that. We might raise the floor a little bit if it's needed,
Yeah.
or we will put some skid like skid plates here in metal or titanium or something. So if we're hitting the curbs or track,
Yeah,
then
we have something to catch.
Exactly. So yeah, but overall, I think it's good. I mean, yeah, we have some small things to do, but we are very close now. It's been.
I would say that this is the closest we have ever been.
Yeah. Exactly.
And that's good.
That's good. All right, so over now for this time, and we will do a vlog shortly when we go to the dyno. I think that's going to be
Pure dyno vlog in a few weeks.
Yeah, exactly. I'm going for a company trip next week, and you will try to figure out some stuff during that week.
Yeah.
And after that, hopefully we can get the drive shaft and those things together.
So Esab, 8 years.
Esab, thanks so much for this
Thank
time.
you.